machine is okay, running. You did your standard count. Then you will go to PR, Proctor for soil. 1. You press 1. This is the unit. Yes. For example, we use 2.3 something or 2.1 something. 2.1 something means what?
We will remove the
2.13.
Yeah.
This is 2130. Okay. Now change value, yes or no? For example, you need to change the value. Here is the yes. Okay. What is the value for Proctor? Enter to accept or no? This is the 1. This 2. Then 1. 5.
Ziyada Proctor 2.15, 2.16.
No problem.
0.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
we enter this one. Enter to accept. Escape to exit. You need to accept or to exit?
Accept.
Enter. This is the Proctor. Now you need to make the test. 1. This is the value. You need to change the value. No. This is the value.
So we can ready
Okay.
for the testing.
Now press start to test. Okay. Press start to test.
Put the
depth,
depth.
sir?
Put the depth.
Yes.
This.
Depth and time setting also.
Depth.
Elevation.
Where is the depth?
This one sir in automatic, right? If we press
This
down
one
this one,
now is
Yes.
safe June, now
Yes.
this one safe. That's why
Yes.
no depth to
If
work
we
with.
need to change the depth,
we will go to manual. Huh?
Plus 8.
auto depth, number 8. If we need to disable, we press 1, it will be disabled or then enable.
And then we can enter manually the depth. Huh?
Okay? Yes. 1. Disable auto depth. Yes. Auto depth disabled. Escape. Start. Depth up down to change the depth. عليكم السلام. بس دقيقة شوي. Yes to accept. Starting the test.
10 seconds try.
طيب ارتاح بالمكتب بس 5 دقايق ونستلمهم منك. خلاص؟ Finished. Now press up and down. This is the moisture weight. This is the dry density. And if we go here,
WD, wide density.
this is the wet density, and this is the degree
Degree of compaction.
Yes. This was the depth.
Show
This
me the
is the
moisture sir.
Down, this is the one.
this the moisture content
7.7.
and the compaction percentage.
This moist, what is this?
This was the moisture weight in the soil.
The way this one
Okay.
is percentage.
Yes, and this is the percentage and
एक ही
this is
जगह
the
में
degree
नहीं
of compaction.
Dry, huh?
इसका की जगह नहीं है.
हाँ, ऊपर नीचे करके देखना पड़ेगा.